Hi there. I want to show you what we have done with the download processing screen. So if you go to downloads at the top and process downloads, you're going to see this button here called view all downloaded transactions. This is going to show you all of the downloads that have come in through a certain date range. So I'm actually going to go way back in time just to make sure that I have some data for you. So here are all of my downloads that have come in through 11/20/2014 to 11/17/2020. Now there are several different things you can do with this downloaded transaction screen. So the first thing is you can double click on any of these policies or any of the names listed here, and it's going to show you some different information about that particular download. So this is an auto policy download. This showing me all of the vehicles, drivers. I can even go deeper here to select more detailed information about that particular vehicle premium, several different things you can do there. Now, another cool part of this is you can filter out what exactly it is you want to see through all of the downloads that have come in. So if I want to see only the downloads that have come through for new business, I can select new business. It's only going to show me all of the downloads that have come in for new business. You can see the transaction type over here is all new business. You can tell Genesis to show you all of the downloads that came in for specific policy types like auto policy, boat, etc. If you want to see all of the downloads that have come in for a specific date range for Progressive, for example, you can do that as well. So many different things here. Makes it much easier to see the downloads that have come in, especially if you're looking for anything specifically. So if you have any questions, let us know.